Marriage brings more than a partner. It brings a whole new family. Getting along with your in-laws might feel tricky, but with respect, kindness, and effort, you can build a strong, lasting bond. In this video, we'll show you how to create harmony, trust, and a closer family connection. Practicing positive communication with your in-laws. Listen to your in-laws and encourage them to share their stories. It will make them feel valued, help you connect, and may even give you new insights about your partner. Avoid pointless bickering with your in-laws. Respect their perspectives, let go of small annoyances, and don't dwell on grudges. Focus on keeping the peace instead. Treat your in-laws as you would your own family. Be warm, friendly, and respectful, and try to relax when spending time with them. Communicate openly and honestly, and don't feel like you're constantly being tested. Seeing them as true family members will help build stronger, more supportive relationships. Don't involve your in-laws in spousal problems. They'll likely side with their child and become defensive. Instead, resolve issues privately with your spouse, without dragging family into it. Adapting to your in-laws' behavior. Set boundaries with your in-laws early to avoid future conflicts. Let your spouse communicate these limits, as it's usually better received coming from their own child. For example, if a mother-in-law visits unannounced, have your spouse politely ask her to call before coming. When your in-laws give parenting advice, listen respectfully and thank them, then discuss privately with your spouse whether to follow it. If you decide not to, simply don't act on it. No need to argue or make a point of rejecting it. Adjust your expectations when meeting your partner's family. Their dynamic may differ from yours, so be open and try to adapt to their way of doing things. Make holidays and events a team effort by involving your in-laws in planning and sharing responsibilities. Be flexible with changes, but don't let them dictate all plans. Set healthy boundaries while still showing appreciation and compromise when needed. And gaining your in-laws' trust. Recognize that in-laws may fear losing closeness with their child after marriage. Reassure them they'll remain part of your spouse's life and follow through by visiting often and including them in family events and celebrations. Spend regular time with your in-laws to build comfort and connection, though with your spouse when they visit, and invite your in-laws to join family gatherings, holidays, and special occasions. The more time you share, the more natural and close your relationship will become. Offer help to your in-laws with chores or maintenance. Be proactive. Volunteer to mow the lawn, rake leaves, or fix things. Small favors show you care and strengthen your bond. Give your in-laws thoughtful gifts, not just on birthdays or holidays. Pay attention to what they enjoy. Maybe golf accessories for your father-in-law or a nice cookbook for your mother-in-law. Small surprises on special occasions or even during visits show you care and strengthen your bond with them. Find common ground with your in-laws by connecting through hobbies or interests. If your father-in-law enjoys golf, invite him for a round or catch a baseball game together. If your mother-in-law loves gardening, spend time helping her plant or harvest. Even small gestures like picking up a book they enjoy or joining in on their favorite activities show that you value their interests and want to build a closer bond. Get along with your spouse by keeping your relationship steady and supportive. Show love, communicate openly, and work as a team. Your in-laws will trust and respect you more. Thanks for watching.